Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is going in this direction. Here in this puzzle, I need you to understand something. I want you to understand something. That thing is the opposition, right? You got to get right the opposition. Otherwise, you wouldn't win this. With that in mind, as always, guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here you may just probably capture the queen, and when the king takes back, you would probably think to promote this. But this is not the correct move, and you wouldn't win this. It's a draw, because see, the black king is creating the opposition, and now it's your turn to move. If this was black's turn to move, it would be a different story, and you would win. But it's your turn, and you have to move, right? So if you push the pawn, the king would just get in front of it, and you can't do anything to stop the king from getting your pawn. You may just probably push, but black would continue getting in front of the pawn, and black will create the opposition against you, right? So you have no way winning this, right? So black would just make the opposition, and yeah, you can't win this, right? And you can't win this. Actually, it's on black's hand, right? The winning is on, the draw is on black's hand. After you capture this, all black has to do is just anticipate your move, right? So that is what black going to do, and that is not the correct solution. The correct move is actually to play king to a4. Now if black captures, you capture back, and notice now it's black's turn, meaning black has to move, you move, and black has to move somewhere, and you move the other way, right? If black moves this way, you move the other way, and if black moves, now you move, right? So now you have the opposition, and you are giving the ball to black, which ultimately helps you back, right? So black would just play a move like this, but you'll end up in a position like this where your pawn will have a protection and free pass, so the enemy king wouldn't be on the way, right? So that is the idea, and that is the solution of the puzzle. But in this position, black is not forced to capture this. Black can play a clever king move, king to b6, I mean a8. So what do you think the best move? So obviously you can't capture the queen in this position, because it's going to be just stalemate and it's a draw. And the correct move is to play queen to a5, giving up the queen. This way you black captures, you captures again. Now you would have the opposition, right? So black may just get in front of the pawn, you get in front of you copy black, and make sure to just create the opposition and get a side, and you can just push now, and this is winning for you. You can just push, and if black gets in front of it, you can just create the opposition and get a side. So this is how you are going to win the game. It's kind of complex puzzle. I mean, the opposition thing is pretty complex, but once you understand the idea, you will get the puzzle, right? If black blocks the check, you are going to just capture black and just get into position and Now you can just push, and it's black's turn, and you just give the opposition. So when they are aligned like this, straight like this, you have the opposition if it's black's turn, or if it's the opponent's turn. Now black has to move somewhere. If black moves a side, you move a side, and if black moves up, just give a check, and you can move a side like this and promote this way. So if black did the other way, it's going to be the same way with the other direction. It's going to be the same thing, but with the other direction, and that is how you would win the opposition. And now what you are going to do is create the opposition, right? So this way the king will just move aside, has no choice. Black has to move either of these, black has to play either of these moves, but you just move the opposite, and this is how you are going to win the game. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.